In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact customer support for GlassWire 2026. To get started, open your browser and go to the official GlassWire website. Once the site loads, scroll down toward the bottom of the page and look for the contact section. You can also go directly to the contact page if you already know where it is. This is where GlassWire lists the available ways to reach out for help, feedback, and support. On the contact page, take a moment to choose the right support email for your issue. If you need general help with the GlassWire software, use the help support email. If you're having trouble with activation, use the activation support email instead. And if you need to report a bug or a possible security issue, choose the bug support email. Picking the correct contact option helps make sure your request reaches the right team faster. Next, open your email app or email service and start a new message. For general technical support, address your email to the help support address. Before you write the body of the email, add a clear subject line. Keep it short but descriptive so the support team can quickly understand the problem. A good example would be something like GlassWire not connecting. Support request. A clear subject can make your message easier to sort and respond to. Now describe the issue in detail. Explain what happened, when it happened, and what you were trying to do when the problem appeared. It's also helpful to include your GlassWire version, your Windows version, and the exact steps that led to the issue. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for support to understand and troubleshoot the problem. If you have screenshots or error messages, include those as attachments, since visual details can often speed things up. In some cases, GlassWire may ask you to send logs for troubleshooting, especially for certain Windows-related issues. If that happens, follow GlassWire's instructions for enabling logging and sending the log files to the help support email. Make sure you only send the requested files and review them before attaching them. Before sending your message, double-check everything. Confirm that the recipient is correct, your subject line is clear, your explanation includes the important details, and any attachments are included. Once everything looks good, send the email. After that, keep an eye on your inbox for a reply from the GlassWire support team. It's also a good idea to check your spam or junk folder just in case their response gets filtered. That's it. You've successfully contacted GlassWire customer support.